What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game AI Limit on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So what you need to do is go to your Google browser, and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game AI Limit and select it. Now once you have done that, you will arrive at the game page and we will scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game is quite expensive, €34.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Once you have done that, you are redirected to this website, and now we will search for the same game AI Limit. Now select games on the left side. After that, sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that, you will find a version which can be activated in your country, so this text needs to be marked green. Now select the game. After that, we will scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, we can already buy this game for just €25.99. Once you have purchased this game for just €25.99 instead of €34.99, you have saved yourself a bit of money while downloading games online without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Now, as soon as you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with a activation key or a new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!